Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kazakh lesson. In Kazakh language, there are 3 tenses: present, past, and future. For example, in English language, there are 12 tenses, and also passive voice and active voice. Today, I will explain you present tense in Kazakh language. As we talked on the last lesson, there are 4 singular pronouns: men, sen, siz, ol. How to make sentence in Kazakh language? First, you need to put pronoun or a noun. A noun can be a person's name. Second, you need to put a verb with an ending up, ep, pa. You put ending up for hard words, ep for soft words, and pa if a word ends with vowel. After that, you need to say if the action is being done standing, tur, sitting, otyr, or laying, jatyr. If an action is not being done standing or sitting, you will always say that the action is being done laying, jatyr. Every pronoun has their own endings. Men has ending mın. Sen has ending sın. Siz has ending sın. Ol doesn't have any ending. So, for example, let's make a sentence. Men жазып тұрмын. I am writing and also standing. Sen жазып тұрсың. You are writing and also standing. Siz жазып tursiz. You are writing and also standing. It's in formal way. Ol жазып тұр. Without any ending. Now plural pronouns. Biz, sendер, sizder, olar. They also have their own endings. Pronoun biz has ending mız. Sendер, singder. Sizder ending sizdar. Olar doesn't have any ending. Now let's make a sentence. Biz жазып тұрмыз. We are writing and also standing. Сендер жазып tursińdar. You are writing and also standing. Sizder жазып tursizdar. You are writing and also standing in a formal way. Olar жазып тұр. They are writing and also standing without any ending. Let's go through some verbs. In Kazakh language, you write the verbs at the end of the sentence. For example, to write, жазу, жаз. To speak, сөйлеу, söyle. To play, ойнау, ойна. To read, оқу, оқы. Now let's make a sentence. For example, I study at school. Мен мектепте оқимын. Оқимын, мын is an ending for a singular pronoun мен. Мен мектепте оқимын. Now try to do some sentences by yourself.